Hey, what's up guys? So we finally made it to Santa Rosa de Cabal Spa, and it is beautiful. We're still waiting to get our room, but I'm just walking around. I'm gonna walk up to the top here to check out the waterfall. You can see it's quite a hike up. But yeah, we are extremely excited. We've been wanting to come here for like the last 3 or 4 years, and we're staying 2 nights. We have a waterfall suite, so I'll show that as well. I think the price was about, to double check, but I think for 3 people, and that included breakfast, because you have the option to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or no food at all, or just breakfast, or just lunch, whatever. So 2 different price points. But I think we paid about maybe like $180 a night, something like that for the suite. So very excited. Should have like a nice view. I think there's a balcony as well. So yeah, we're gonna check that out once we can check in the next half hour or so. They're very strict on a 3 p.m. check-in, and checkout's at 12 o'clock. So there's 3 different hotels. That's 1, 2 with the red roof, then a black one over there. And they're all like kind of like different themes. I think one is like the river, one is the waterfall, which is the one we're staying in, and the other one is mountain. But check out this waterfall here, guys. Very high. And with the room, it also includes the public access to the Balneario, which is maybe like a 4-minute drive from the hotel. That place looks pretty cool. So we probably check that out tomorrow morning and just enjoy the private hotel spas today. So guys, we are very excited to get settled in the room so we can go out and check out the thermal pools. Like I think I mentioned earlier, that one is not working right now. They're doing some maintenance on it, but the rest are open. And I think there's like another side as well, he mentioned, that has some private Termales as well. So I'm gonna try to check that out. And yeah, we get checked in, hop in the water, open from 8 a.m. to I believe like midnight or like 11 p.m., something like that. So really late. So you get a chance to kind of go in, take a rest, maybe eat, go back out, enjoy the Termales at nighttime, which I've never done. So that'd be a fun experience as well. So we're definitely going to take advantage of using these thermal pools for these 2 days for sure, from the morning to the nighttime until they close. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's see what I can get on camera before we get checked in. And here's the one pool here that's closed for construction for the back here. But yeah, I think we have more than enough options to choose from, so we should be fine. There's a small spot here in the hotel that's called the Rio. So, perfect temperature, very nice. No one here, so private. And this is why it's called the river. Alright guys, so we just checked into the waterfall suite, and it's beautiful, better than we could have imagined. Unfortunately, it's raining really hard right now, but I'll let you guys check it out. So we have, as soon as you walk in the door, have these huge floor-to-ceiling windows. You can see one of the waterfalls right here. And then we have other floor-to-ceiling windows and also a small balcony. King-size bed. It's like a California king maybe. Couple chairs, couch. Really no privacy here, but you can see right into like the part of the restaurant and the other pool area. I have a nice sized television, heat and AC. And this is the bathroom area. Rain. There's a rainfall shower. Yeah, so yeah, it's really good. So the price is like $170 a person. Like I said, it includes breakfast. And I wanted something spacious because I have to work one of the days. So I want to make sure I have room to do that. I don't want to have something that's too cramped. This has plenty of like good natural lighting as well. So it should be a fun place to look out and work right here at the pool. I'll probably sit like right here, bang out some work, great views. I can see the family playing outside. So yeah, so we're gonna get dressed and get ready. Even though it's raining, we still want to enjoy this. So we're gonna get changed and check out a couple of the pools here today. Okay, baby G. See, your feet can go here. Look. See? Okay. See? And then you can use this. See? Like this. Whoa. Oh no. We get caught, guys. Water here is freezing cold. Good morning, guys. We are at the Balneario. This is the public side of the Santa Rosa Cabal Termales. And it's free since we are guests. You just make reservations at the front desk, but you can pretty much go whenever you want. So we decided to go right after breakfast. We had 8 o'clock breakfast and we pretty much left about an hour or so after. So now we're heading into the park. Obviously we have a car that we rented still, so we're able to drive because it's actually quite a long walk. If you took a taxi here or Uber, if you walked here from the hotel to this side, it's probably at least 15-20 minutes. So luckily we had a car we can drive here. It's like 5 minutes. And then we have to walk up. Like it might be a little bit of a hike to get there. So guys, it is a little bit of a hike when you come here. You can see like we're still walking. I'm assuming maybe like 7-8 minutes in total, we'll see. But it's not like other places we've been to where it's pretty much right there when you get past check-in. Hey guys, it's a lot to get here. I don't know how people have any sort of handicap or something, how they can get here. Unless there's like an alternate route for them to go where they can drive you. Because it's quite a bit of a walk and a lot of stairs and bridges. It's a nice, beautiful natural park. And there's the huge waterfall that we've seen in so many pictures and videos right there in the backdrop. Alright guys, so we made it in and it's a sunny day. I wish it was a little bit cloudier because it's kind of hard to get in hot water when it's so warm out. But it's beautiful. It's like 4 or 5 or 6 different types of pools. We're going to check out. Pretty sure this water's really cold here. Yeah, it's freezing. So I've seen many people on videos, they jump in the water, underneath the waterfall, but it's cold, man. My body's not ready for that yet, but it's pretty nice. I just wish it was a little bit cloudier out, a little bit cooler like it was yesterday, because it's perfect. Right now it's pretty warm. It's like you should be in a pool almost. All right, guys, so we're heading out of the public thermal park now. I'm gonna head back to the hotel. It's just so much sun, it was very difficult to kind of really enjoy it. I did find a nice little place in the shade for a little bit, which is nice, but ultimately we think that it's best to kind of just go back and use the thermal park at the hotel. There's a lot more greenery there, so it blocks the sun naturally, and just a little bit more convenient. So we're gonna just head back there and relax, and then I have work to do. So this will be it for this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Buenas. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one.